So now let's see how we can utilize the eraser tool inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have these shapes right here, and if I want to erase some parts of these objects right here, then I need to go ahead and utilize the eraser tool. So for that, if I were to go around onto the crop tool right here, then you can see that eraser is an option. So here you can go around, and on the top you can choose the shape of the eraser and then simply go ahead and erase parts of these shapes right here, just like this. You can also go around and then select out square nib right here and then erase out with the square as well. And you can also go around and change around the size of the eraser as well to make it larger right here or to make it shorter right here, just like this. Or you can go around and make it smaller as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can also work around with the pen pressure right here, just like this, and then even work around with, let's say, for example, the angles as well. So you can see that you can go around and erase different parts right here, just like this, and that's it. So that's how you can go around and change around the size, work around with the eraser tool, and erase out the graphics that you have right here, just like this, and new parts are made up over here, just like this, as you keep on erasing. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the eraser tool inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.